This is a very hard decision. UX designing or video editing. I thought about it. Look, that's what is UX designing that left me and took me away from this video editing. That's why now I'm a pro. Yeah, check my other YouTube channel, EX3C. I already started a whole YouTube channel, like a whole new life with UX designing. But I realized that I have to pick one, because this little baby is still there waiting for me. That's video editing I'm talking about. Waiting for me, say, come, Ezekiel, come, Ekondo, come. Now I have to pick UX designing or video editing. Then I mash them up. I'm doing it too. Yeah. I don't know what to say in this video again. So now I'm doing it too. I have 2 YouTube channels, 2 stressful lives that I have to take care of. Is it 1 minute yet?
1 minute. Just enter the 103.
103.
104, 105.
106, 107. 109. And I've counted like that till which is
You will lose subscribers that you never got to.
okay, sorry. That's the end of this video. Peace.
No peace, anybody.